Look no further than the 2018 Land Rover Discovery. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this premium Land Rover Discover, the large luxury SUV that elevates every adventure with go-anywhere capability, advanced connectivity, robust safety features, and family-friendly 3-row seating. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, panoramic roof, supercharged engine, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Serious off-road capability meets high-end luxury in this superlative Discovery. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.